Here the next topic we are having phylum Coelenterata. Okay, here is also called as a Cnidaria. Here a C is a silent ma, Cnidaria. Coelenterata. Here I have to take a meaning for that. First one, coelom. We already say that what is a coelom? A body cavity. Just they are separate the body wall from the digestive. That is the gut part, right? Same like that. Here also they are having a whole intestinal part. Just they are separated from the some layer. The first thing, a Coelenterata, where they are live na, here most of them are aquatic in nature. Aquatic, so they live in a water, both a sea and fresh water also. They are a multicellular. They are not in a single cell. They are a multicellular in nature. Here a multicellular na, so that they are a tissue grade of organization. Before the topic we have seen the porifera, that is a multicellular, but that is the what? A cellular level of organization. Here a tissue grade of organization. Okay, and next a body wall is a diploplastic in nature. What they have said here? A body wall is a diploplastic. Here a diploblastic dye, which means we already say that two. They are having a two layer. For an example, now we are going to see the example for an Coelenterata is jellyfish. Okay. Here a first one is the ecto, as you know that, and next one here inner is the meso. Okay, here they are not having any endo. Here they are having a mesoderm. Here ecto and mesoderm are separated by the intercellular jelly-like substance. They are called as a mesoglia. மீசோக்லியா அப்படி மீனிங் என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம்னா ஜெல்லி பசை மாதிரி இருக்கும். சரி, அதை மீசோக்லியான்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. பசை அதான் மீசோக்லியா. ஜஸ்ட் தே ஆர் செப்பரேட்டிங் ecto and mesoderm. And here it has a central gastrovascular cavity. Here this is the what ma? A gastrovascular cavity. Just here they are having some space na. This is what? A gastrovascular cavity. They are having a one name to that. That is the coelenteron. Coelenteron. Gastrovascular na automatically that is a part of a digestive system. Okay, the name is a coelenteron. Here not only that body that is the gastrovascular cavity, they are having another part and that also, that is the here a reproductive part of that. Okay, and here most of them are short tentacles is there. A short tentacles is there, and tentacles are bare stinging cells. Here in this tentacles, just have taken this is the tentacles. They are bearing a stinging cells called a cnidoblast. What they are called, given a name for that, a cnidoblast or nematocytes. Nematocytes. Here a nematocytes, which mean if they are someone is going to or attack to the body of a starfish, what they have to do na, just they are pushing the cells, that is the cnidoblast cells, push பண்ணி வெளியே push பண்ணி அந்த stages தாக்கும். Here a nemato, which mean a toxics are produced from that stinging cells, that is the cnidoblast cells, toxins produce ஆகும். அதுதான் nematocytes. ஓகேவா? அது கொஞ்ச நேரத்துக்கு அனஸ்தீஷியா மாதிரி அந்த பேஷண்ட் அந்த ப்ரிடேக்டாஸை ஒரு டிஸ்ட்ராக்ஷனுக்கு கொண்டு வந்துடும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ திஸ் தேர் எஸ்கேப் ஃப்ரம் தட் ப்ரிடேக்டாஸ். So that is a major function of an nematocytes. Nematode toxics. Okay, so that's it for an Coelenterata. Let me move on next one. And another things also is there. Here a variation structure and functions. If you are taken a polymorphism, this is the polymorphism. Poly, which mean what? They are having a different structures. Poly nale n number than morphism, which mean to study about the morphology. We already said na, to study about the structure. Okay, here a polymorphism, they are structurally, functionally, they differ to that different species. A reproduction is both sexual and asexual. Okay, so that's it for an Coelenterata. Let me move on next one, Platyhelminthes. Here the next one we are having the phylum Platyhelminthes. Here a Platyhelminthes, which means a flatworm. Okay. A flatyhel, which means a flatworm. They are having a flattened body. Dorsiventral, we say in a dorsal and ventral side. That is the dorsiventral side. They are like in a tape form like that. Okay, that is a dorsiventral. They are just a bilaterally symmetrical. Bilaterally a symmetrical body. Bilaterally, we already say that what is a bilaterally. They are divided as a two symmetrical body. Okay. And next one, they are acoelomate. Here acoelomate, which means absence of an coelom in the body. We already say that what is a coelom, which is they are separating a body cavity, that is a coelom, right? Here they are absence of a coelom. Most of them here, most of them are parasitic in nature. Most of the Platyhelminthes are parasitic in nature. They are ectoparasites and endoparasites also. Here are endoparasites, which means they are living in the intestinal of an most of them are endoparasites. They are living in the intestinal of an human. That is a human, not only a human and animals also. Just they are attaching the intestinal part of an animals with the help of an suckers and hooks. We already say in the Taenia sodium itself, they are having a hook-like body in the mouth part, just like this. They are having a hooks-like structures. With the help of an hook, they are just attached to the body of an host body. Okay, here their excretion takes place through the special cells. They are given a name of a flame cell. What is it? A flame cells. Just they are excrete from that a body of an host. Host உடைய body இருந்து தனியா பிரிஞ்சு போயிடும். Okay, that is the what flame cells. Here this Platyhelminthes are usually are hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodites. What is a hermaphrodites? Both male and female organisms, that is the reproductive organisms, are present in the a single individual. Okay, a single individual are present ayindinaka, they called as a hermaphrodite. Earthworm and leeches. Okay, here a tapeworm, and not only that, the liver fluke also, they are present in the form of hermaphrodites. Okay, so that's it for a Platyhelminthes. Let me move on. Next one, we are having the Aschelminthes. What is the next topic we are having here? A phylum of Aschelminthes. Here Aschelminthes, which means that is a round worm. Here Aschelminthes. Aschelminthes are bilaterally symmetrical. Bilaterally, we already said that they are having a divided in an equal part. Okay, that is a bilaterally symmetrical and triploplastic in animal. Here they are a triploplastic. Triplo, which means they are having a three layer, that is the mesoderm. First one is the ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm, that is the triploplastic. And before that we have seen a Coelenterata, that is the diploplastic. Here this is the triploplastic in nature and free existing living in the soil in the form of parasites. Okay, soil எப்படி இருக்குமா in the form of parasitics in nature. Okay, and here a body is a rounded body. We already draw the diagram. We have said a Ascaris. This is the Ascaris, an example of Aschelminthes. Here a both pointed end. Both end is a pointed end. The body is a round and a pointed end. And here they are not having any segmented body. Okay, and here they are covered with the thin cuticle. Thin cuticle. First, I have to know the cuticle. What is the meaning of a cuticle? A cuticle is a jelly-like substance. When you have to catch some leech, have to feel some some sticky like structures no sticky மாதிரி ஃபீல் பண்ணுவீங்க குழன்னு இருக்கும் இல்லையா so that is the what cuticle. what is the purpose they are secrete a cuticle na just they escape from the predators கிட்ட இருந்து escape பண்ணணும் once catch பண்ணியாச்சுன்னா அந்த sticky மாதிரி substance secrete பண்ணா அது வழுக்கிட்டு போயிட சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா so that is the what na cuticle. okay ma jelly like substance. Here their sexes are separates. We already said that sexes are separate in the ascaris. Here this is the what a male and here this is the female. okay so sexes are separate in nature and here their diseases is called as a nematodes. Nematodes we already said that nematocytes nematode which mean a toxics we say nematodes in the human being they are caused as two diseases. The first one is the elephantiasis and next one is the ascariasis. okay first elephantiasis யானைக்கால் நோய் சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா that is the elephantiasis and ascariasis. here ascariasis usually where it is occurna in the intestinal partல small intestine. okay usually if they are suffer from their ascariasis fevers இருக்கும் okay cramps muscle அந்த stomach partல cramps இருக்கும் muscles பிடிச்சி இழுக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா cramps மாதிரி இருக்கும் அப்படி abdominal dysentery மாதிரி இருக்கும் ஓகேவா so these are all the symptoms of an ascariasis. so that's it for an Ascalmanthus. maybe more next one we are having a Phylum Annelida. what is the next one we are having that Phylum Annelida. I have to follow it in observation note. okay Phylum Annelida. here Annelida that is a major topic to you, that related topic that you are having in your 10th standard also. okay here Annelida which mean is segmented body. A segmented body. how they are having a segmented, just imagine this is a one worm. you have seen a earthworm, they are usually having a segmented body just like that. here a body is a segmented. here they are bilaterally symmetrical. Bilaterally symmetrical. here organ grade of organization. what they said organ grade of organization which mean they are having a proper organ system except one or two system is absent to be here. They are having a reproductive system, they are having a digestive system, they are having a circulatory system. okay that's it, they say that is a organ grade of organization. here a body is externally divided segmented is called as a metamerism. A metameris meta which mean a two. okay a meris segmented, a metameris a segmented body. and here not only there a joined ring like structures is called annuli. we already said here they are just a jointed portions, right? in the joint a ring like body, no, just have to take it here. this is the one segment and here they are having a subdivisions of the segments and this is the another segment. for an example they are having a number of segments. let's take a 9th segment and 10th segment. here this is the each segment and each segments are joined by the a subdivision of a segments. they are given a name of annuli. okay and here they are covered with the moisty cuticles. we already say that what is the cuticles, just they are secrete some mucus secrete பண்ணும் help from the predators கிட்ட இருந்து. okay and next one here they are having a setae and parapodia for locomotory organ. what is a setae and parapodia? setae and parapodia just like a minute legs. okay here a minute legs are presented to be here, that is the setae and parapodia for the locomotory organ. and sexes may be separated or united also. okay if you have seen some of the leeches, they are hermaphrodite. earthworm they are hermaphrodite. some of them are Annelida families, they are having a sexes are separated in nature. so If they are having a united form, that is called as a hermaphrodite. Separated, they are doing a sexual reproduction. So that's it for an annelida. Okay, pa. So yeah, complete our lesson today topic. Okay, have to note it down all the keywords in your observation note. Have to follow the homework. Okay, thank you, student. We have to see the remaining topic for our next class. Okay, thank you.